Which front and rear dash cam is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. First up is the Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. Right off the bat, the sleek design and the fact that it comes with a free 128GB card caught my attention. At $129.99, it's priced competitively in the market. If you want top-notch video quality with dual-channel recording, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera mean you can capture crystal-clear footage from both angles. The 150 degrees ultra-wide angle gives you a broader view of the road, which is crucial in an accident scenario. Plus, the Sony SDARVIS2 sensor ensures you get great night vision, so you won't lose important details in low light. Now, some people complained about the app connectivity being a bit finicky at times. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, most users find it works just fine. It's a minor annoyance that doesn't overshadow the solid performance you're getting. This is perfect for you if you want high-resolution footage and a reliable recording experience. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler setup without extra features, but for the price, it's really hard to beat the value here. Now, if the app issues bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its smart mirror design. Product number 2, WLFBOXG840S Mirror Dash Cam. Next up is the WLFBOXG840S12 Mirror Dash Cam. This one's unique because it doubles as a rear-view mirror, which is pretty cool. Priced at $129.99, it's another strong contender. If you want a larger display with great features, this is worth a serious look. The 4K UHD front camera and 1080p rear camera provide stunning detail, and the 12 screen gives you 1.5 times the viewing area of a standard mirror, which is a game changer for reducing blind spots. The built-in GPS and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi allow for real-time data display and easy video sharing. With 14,400 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, it's clear that many people are enjoying this product. Now, some users mentioned the installation could be tricky, especially for those unfamiliar with wiring. But honestly, if you take your time, it's manageable. Plus, the benefits outweigh the initial hassle, especially with the enhanced safety features. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional device that combines a dash cam and a rear-view mirror. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with a bit of DIY installation, but the visibility and features are really impressive for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for comprehensive coverage. Product number 3, IIWEY N5 4-channel dash cam. Coming in third is the IIWEY N5 4-channel dash cam. At $84.97, it's the most budget-friendly option on this list, but it doesn't skimp on features. If you want all-around coverage without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This camera records in all directions, front, rear, and sides, capturing every detail with 1080p quality. The 360 degrees view is perfect for ensuring you don't miss anything, especially in busy traffic situations. It also comes with a 128GB card, which is a nice bonus. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 3,600 reviews, it's definitely making waves. However, it's important to note that this model lacks GPS and relies on a cigarette lighter for power. But if you're mainly looking for a straightforward dash cam with comprehensive coverage, this shouldn't hold you back too much. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, affordable solution that covers all angles. Skip this one if you need GPS functionality or prefer a more high-end experience, but for value, it's tough to beat. Now, if the lack of GPS was a deal-breaker for you, let's check out something that covers that requirement. Product number 4, REDTIGR F17 3-channel dash cam. Next up is the REDTIGR F17 4K 3-channel dash cam. Priced at $159.99, this one offers comprehensive coverage with its triple camera setup. If you're serious about safety and detail, this is worth a serious look. The SDARVIS2 sensor improves low-light performance significantly, so you won't lose any important footage even at night. The built-in GPS and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi make it easy to access your recordings and track your routes. With a 4.5-star rating from 2,600 reviews, it's clearly a favorite. Some users noted the setup can be a bit complicated due to the multiple cameras and wiring involved. The peace of mind knowing you have eyes everywhere is a huge plus. This is perfect for you if you need extensive coverage for daily commutes or family road trips. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward, less complicated installation, but it's tough to argue against the safety features. Now, if you want something with excellent night vision at a lower price point, let's look at our final contender. Product number 5, Afur 4K Dash Cam. Last on our list is the Afur 4K Dash Cam, which is priced at an incredibly affordable $71.99. If you want solid performance without spending too much, this is definitely worth a look. This dash cam offers 4K resolution in the front and 1080p in the rear, delivering excellent video quality. It's equipped with built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi for quick video transfers and GPS for tracking your route and speed. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,600 reviews, it's clear users appreciate the quality. However, some users have commented on the installation being a bit tricky, especially if you're not tech-savvy. But honestly, the price and the features you're getting make it a great deal for anyone looking for a reliable dash cam. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable option that doesn't compromise on quality. Skip this one if you want advanced features that come with higher-priced models, but for the cost, it's hard to argue against its value. So to wrap it all up, the Rove R2 4K is ideal for high-resolution needs. The WLFBOX offers a great mirror option. The IIWEY provides all-around coverage on a budget. The REDTIGER gives you extensive safety features, and the Afur is a fantastic entry-level choice. Each has its strengths, so whether you're a new driver or just want peace of mind, there's something here for everyone.